Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. We continue to move in the triangle here that we've been talking about for a week now. No change. It's absolutely boring price action at the moment, but it continues to be in my view that we have a good chance here to break to that downside. Again, there is a breakout point to the upside. That's 1963. I currently count this entire move as an A, B, C pattern, a so-called corrective pattern in a wave 2 before we could rally in a third wave. But first of all, we need to complete here the B wave before we can head into C. And the B wave can unfold in basically two main ways. The first one that I'm observing is the triangle option. In an Elliott Wave triangle here, we would complete an ABCDE pattern. That's nearly done, or maybe already done. And in an alternative pattern, we would unfold the B wave would unfold as a so-called WXY structure in a higher B wave. Higher B wave. Again, breakout point here to the upside of the triangle is 1963 to the upside, and to the downside 1810 and then 1790. 1810 is just the first indication that the triangle is going to break to the downside, but 1790 would be confirmation. If the triangle that you can see here on the screen is breaking to the downside, what would be key target for the C wave? First of all, we've got the relevant support areas here at 1663 and 1533, but we can also take the length of the A wave and we go to the high of the B wave, which would be the end of the triangle, and we're looking for the 1-to-1 ratio as a first common target. Well, the very first one would actually be the 61.8 extension. There should be some kind of reaction here. That level is at 1712, and then the 1-to-1 ratio, the next common, actually a very common target, would be at 1585. So keep those levels in mind. Doesn't mean we have to end the C wave there, but they are certainly levels to watch. Now let's zoom into the triangle because not too much else happened. So it's really just the pattern here that we talk about. And in this triangle, we have another chance that a top has been made here. And as long as we stay below the intraday high, the overall focus could be on the downside, because it can be that this triangle finished with this high. Yeah, I mean, I spy here a possible top in place, but again, until price breaks below those breakout points, it can always extend. You know, this triangle can always extend further before it obviously breaks, but it now has a potential top in place. And the reason is because we have an ABCDE in the triangle complete. That is sort of the minimum a triangle needs to do. And in the E wave, we have an ABC pattern also complete. And in the C wave, we have a 5-wave move also complete. So it has a good chance to break down now, but needs to confirm it by going below 1810. We have additionally a nice corrective channel that we can draw here actually. Nice parallel trend channel, and as long as we stay in the channel, and we sort of still are in the channel, just about, maybe just trying to break, it could still head higher here, short term, very short term, but a sustained break below the channel would be indicative of a top in place of some sort, and we could then come down further to test the 1810 level, then 1790, and could then head down lower. There's really not much more to add. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.